Hey guys, in this video I'm going to discuss my Paytm interview experience. So first I'll discuss the general Paytm interviews. So basically Paytm visited college, Paytm visit several college, and the process vary from college to college, and also the CTC they are offering. So Paytm generally have different CTC structure for different type of colleges. For tier 1 colleges like IITs, top NITs, and top triple IITs, the CTC is very different as compared to the lower NITs and lower colleges. So basically the Paytm approaches vary from college to college. How I mean by that, that the set of questions what they are asking in the tier 1 college is little different, what they are asking for tier 2 and tier 2.5. uh, so basically the question level generally vary, otherwise the questions are from the previously asked question, or there are generally the variants of previously asked question. So what I seen in the interview experience is that all the questions in Paytm kind of interviews are generally already asked, or it's already the enhanced version of the what questions are already asked. So if you are preparing the 400 or 500 questions from GFG or lead code, then you are pretty much good to go for Paytm type of interviews. Also, if you had done 400 or 500 questions on lead code or GFG, then it's very much sure that you will surely crack some of the good companies which are visiting your college, and some of the off campus companies as well. So let me discuss you the four rounds at my time. So round one is the online assessment, in which I had asked level order traversal, spiral order matrix, and question three is sum of dependencies graph. All of these questions you will easily find on GFG. Round two is trapping rainwater problem, buy and sell stocks, both variants. You will find both variants on lead code. Question third is for some problem. So these questions are also very much you are familiar with. You will easily find on lead code or GFG. Round 3 is left, right, top and bottom view of binary tree. I had asked about the right view of the binary tree, but I'll recommend that you have all the approaches in your mind of all these four views of binary tree, so that whenever you have asked about any of the views of binary tree, you will easily able to write the code or tell the approach. Question second is complexity of sorting algorithm. So there are generally five sorting algorithms which you should know the complexities of best, average, and worst case. uh, I'll recommend to have these cases complexities on your tips, so that whenever you have asked about any of these, you will surely able to answer this question, because it feels very bad if you are not able to answer these questions, because these sorting algorithms you have teaching in your first year, right? So it feels very bad that if a competitive coder or a programmer doesn't know the complexity of any sorting algorithm, then it feels really really bad. So I'll recommend to please learn all the sorting complexities of these algorithms. Question third is OSDBMS computer networks and OOPS questions. So I'll surely create a series of videos. uh, the next videos will be on OSDBMS computer networks and OOPS questions, what the questions are generally asked in the interviews. I'll create a series of videos which each and every video consists of 10 to 15 questions on all of these topics. So you will easily able to understand, okay, these kind of questions are generally asked in these types of concepts, right? Also, it is very much beneficial for the students who are trying to preparing this subject. I'll share some of the tips how you can prepare these resources, what I did at my time for preparing these resources, right? Because there are generally asked in product based companies as well as in startups. There are generally asked about the development things, and in development things these concepts really helps you. If you are not familiar with these concepts, then it is so sure that you will not gonna selected in any of the good startups or any product based companies, right? The question fourth is project discussion. So I had created five projects. In this, they had asked what is your best project, how it's helping the world, and what you did in that project, right? So these are the very general questions which you will find on your projects. Round 4 is HR plus manager round. In this, the basic HR, typical HR questions were asked: why Paytm, strength and weakness, why do we hire you, and location preference. So that was the Paytm interview experience overall. uh, I'd already mentioned I'll create a series of videos on OSDBMS CN and OOPS, so it will really helpful for you. I'll recommend to please subscribe my channel for not missing any of the important updates regarding these videos. Also, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share. That's it. See you in the next video. Hope you like my content. Thank you so much and bye bye.
मैंने उसको इतना देखा जितना देखा जा सकता था, लेकिन फिर भी 2 आंखों से कितना देखा जा सकता।